Hey crew, today's video will be a brown sugar pound cake, and here the ingredients we'll be using. We have brown sugar, butter, eggs, baker's joy, vanilla extract, baking powder, salt, swan's down cake flour, regular sugar, and milk. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our brown sugar pound cake. So we're going to jump right into our brown sugar pound cake. So I have 3 sticks of butter, that's room temperature, and this unsalted butter, 2 cups of brown sugar, and 1 cup of regular white sugar. We're going to cream this together before we add our white and brown sugar. Once I get it creamed together, I'll bring y'all back. Okay, so we got our butter creamed together, beat some air in it. So now we're going to go in with our brown sugar and our white sugar. So I'm going to let this combine, and once it combines, I'll bring y'all back. Okay, so we have our butter, brown sugar, and white sugar creamed together. And y'all just trust the process. It's going to be thick. So now we're going to go in with our eggs, 1 egg at a time. Oops, that was 2. But we're just going to mix it until it's combined in and we don't see no yellow. Okay, so we have our butter, brown and white sugar, our eggs, and everything combined well. Now we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so we have 3 cups of cake flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of regular whole milk. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna begin and end with flour. And I also have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in my milk. Okay, so we have our brown sugar pound cake batter mix. We're gonna spray it with baker's joy. So now we're gonna add our brown sugar pound cake batter. We're going to put it in the oven at 325 degrees for 80 to 90 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Okay crew, so our brown sugar pound cake is out the oven. I'll allow it to bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes, which will be 80 minutes in total. I'm gonna give y'all that famous close up, then I'm gonna let it cool off, Then we'll make our topping for our brown sugar pound cake. Okay, crew, this is real life. My cake act like it didn't want to come out the pan, but oh well, it don't matter. You ain't gonna see all that. So I got it out the pan, and now we're gonna make caramel sauce, or either we're gonna take the quick and easy route and put caramel sauce on it. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna make the sauce for our brown sugar pound cake. And I have 1/14 ounce of sweet condensed milk, and I'm going to use 1 cup of brown sugar. Okay, so we're going to bring this to a boil. It's kind of like a cheat code to caramel sauce. And you want to constantly stir this while you got it heating up, and once it comes to a boil, you're going to want to put it on a low simmer and let it simmer for 8 minutes, and you want to stir it every now and then to make sure it doesn't burn. After the 8 minutes of simmer, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of salted butter and a little bit of vanilla extract. Okay, crew, y'all see that it's starting to boil, so we're going to turn the heat on low simmer and let it simmer for 8 minutes. I'll bring y'all back. Okay, so it's been 8 minutes. We're gonna turn the fire off and we're gonna remove it off the stove. And we're gonna finish our sauce. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of salted butter. And my butter was room temperature. We're gonna go in with a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so we're gonna let this cool off before we put it on top of our brown sugar pound cake. Alright, y'all, so we about to cut into our brown sugar pound cake, and we're gonna let Queen try it. We ain't gonna be a review line because you know she don't know how to act on camera.
This is like one shot anyway.
Huh? Okay. She wants some because she.
Y'all, he gave me some hot caramel and it burnt my tongue.
It was good though, huh?
It didn't burn my tongue. I was just kidding. I wanted to see what people say. It tasted like your pecan candy.
In my what?
Candy. What?
It's pecan candy.
Thank you. Don't play with me.
Pecan.
Don't play with me. I will disown you.
If I can get it out of you.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh yeah. I'm about to eat a piece of this in the tub too. Hey, hold on. I gotta get the first piece now.
You got aluminum foil on it.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh, say, come on.
Well, he might have to make a leave from Mr. Les.
Alright, y'all. Look at that icing on there. So we're gonna let Queen try it. And she gonna give y'all her honest opinion, as always.
Okay, I asked for this. I asked for this cake. Lord have mercy.
Y'all look, she doing that pork.
Lord have mercy. My favorite. Brown sugar, butter, together. I can't even say enough, y'all. This stuff's so good. But you did your thing. I think out of all of them cakes that you done did, this one here is my Lord Jesus.
It's moist.
The Lord telling me I don't need no more, but we gonna talk.
Y'all, she
Right, this thing
the one
good.
came and she said, babe, I want a brown sugar pound cake with like caramel sauce or candy sauce on top. So I said, okay, I got you.
Cause y'all know I love my pecan candy. And this here is like a pecan candy inside of a cake without the pecans. Y'all make this. I'm finna go soak and I'm gonna eat some of this in the tub. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my God, baby, you did that.
I appreciate that.
Oh my goodness, you came through for me. You're gonna have to make me one of these for my birthday.
So I hope y'all enjoyed the videos. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. And y'all already know the saying, pops out, cool it is.
Bye, y'all.
Look at it, y'all. Breathe the spirit.
This cake's gonna be gone.
Later, y'all.